Hi friends, welcome back to Aesthetic Bites Qritee. Today's recipe is super simple, delicious and easy for anyone to make. Get started. First, let's clean the prawns. The black vein on the back is the digestive tract, so it is always best to remove it. Leaving it can affect the texture and make you slightly gritty taste. So always remember to devein the prawns before cooking. Now let's start cooking. Coarsely crush 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan. Coconut oil adds a wonderful flavor, but you can use any cooking oil you prefer. Add the crushed garlic and saute it for few seconds until it's fragrant. Next, add 2 to 3 dried chilies and 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute until the onion becomes soft. There is no need to brown it. If you enjoy easy and tasty recipes like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now we will add few fresh curry leaves for that authentic South Indian touch. Saute for a few seconds until the curry leaves releases their beautiful aroma. This is one of my favorite parts because the aroma instantly fills the kitchen and make the dish even more delicious. It's a small ingredient but it makes a big difference in flavor. Now let's add 2 to 3 chopped tomatoes and let them soften. You want them nice and mushy because that's what gives our masala deep flavor. Gently stir and let them melt down. And hey, while that's happening, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I love to see how far our food family stretches. Comes the heart of the recipe. Add salt to taste and gently stir the tomatoes. Add your cleaned and deveined prawns. Cook the prawns until they change from a great transparent color to a beautiful pinkish orange. That's how you know you are starting to cook perfectly. Be careful not to overcook the prawns, they cook very quickly and overcooking can make them rubbery and chewy. Now we will add our spices, a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder, a spice level as your preference, and we will add a 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Now we will give a gently stir so that the prawns absorbs all the spices. This recipe is very simple but it tastes absolutely amazing. Sometimes you don't need too many masalas to make a delicious dish. A few fresh ingredients and right balance of spices are enough to create a unique and flavorful recipes. If you prefer a thick gravy, add little water and mix well. Finally, crush some kasuri methi between your palms and add it to the pan. Cook about 15 minutes until the prawns are cooked perfectly. And that's it, our delicious prawns fry is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Aesthetic Bites Qritee. Thank you for watching the video and I will see you in the next video.